Hello guys, in today's video I will be installing a new set of wiper blades for my Honda CR-V 3rd Gen. I got this set on Amazon. I couldn't pass up the price. Oh man, the price was so good I had to get it. Look at them, and they're good quality too. Look at it, it's good quality too. And I got the whole set. Look at that, very good quality. And I'm going to install them today. So let's get to it. So it's a very simple installation. If you look closely here, there's a clip on this one. You need to pull it up, and then you put the hooking part from the wiper. Now we can just pull it out like this. Very simple. We gotta put the longest one there. Now we just stick it in like this. You make sure it's nice and snug there, and then you just push the clip in, and that's it. So let's take this piece of plastic off. Wow, look at the quality of the rubber. It's really good quality, guys. If you look, wow, these are some really nice wipers. We got this one here now. Same thing, we're gonna lift that clip here, squeeze it in, pull it out. There we go. So this is a short one here. Same thing, we're gonna lift that clip. Slide that kind of a hook piece in there. And that's it. Then you squeeze the clip on. And that's it. Such good quality. Wow. I really like how the rubber is. The back one is a little different and it's much smaller. All you have to do with this one is pull the wiper blade back this way. And then we get it out like this. Put this new one on. And that's it. Guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you're interested. And you're getting the whole set, back and front, for your CR-V. So anyway, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. Peace.